Keep raw chicken covered, separate from other food on the bottom shelf in the fridge, and this will keep the juices from leaking and dripping onto other foods. Please don't wash the chicken before cooking. Washing will splash the germs all around the kitchen. Ideally, use separate chopping boards for raw chicken. If you only have one, make sure you wash it with soap and hot water after you've used it. Wash your hands with soap and water after handling raw chicken. 20 seconds of lathering and 20 seconds of rinsing. Keep your kitchen utensils and surfaces clean after handling raw chicken. Check to see if the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Now, if you have a meat thermometer, take the temperature at the middle of the thickest part of the meat. The thermometer should be about 75 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, then the juices should run clear when poked with a knife.